things. Number one, just for the last 3 or 4 days, 3 days really, seeing all the guys come together, help each other. Like a lot of people were helping each other on their projects in areas where they're strongest. And number 2 was driving this beast. Before we left, dude, I had 3 miles on this truck. And so when I drove it for the first time yesterday, I was really disappointed and discouraged because I had no brakes, my clutch didn't work, my air filter flew off, and melted the spark plug wire on the header. And it was just like not good. Oh yeah, and it was backfiring and just doing crazy stuff. But just got back at it, man. You patiently, just deliberately keep clicking through your list, and now everything's. We drove 3 hours last night.
Get Ben in his cocoon.
Yeah. That cocoon.
I'm sorry, did I make
I don't know, but he's gonna emerge beautiful. It changed me.
Leaks a little oil, and the clutch still doesn't work great. But that's fine.
So you're shifting it without.
Basically without a clutch. And I have to start it in gear.
Is it frowned upon in the?
No. In the terrible world, it's celebrated.
A wild Ben. A wild Ben who's just woken up from his slumber.
How'd you sleep, dude?
Great.
You look good now. Like you've all. Like,
Thank you.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Yeah.
You good, Luke?
Good-ish. Not quite. Good-ish. Amazing. Felt high quality. The packing was amazing. Like the package that it came in was like built like a tank. It was nice.
So guys, what happened with this tent?
We didn't pack this part.
Miscommunication.
Oh.
Like he said.
Probably product error.
Product error.
Yeah.
Woo!
You're gonna stop at a gas station or something.
I brought another alternator. I have no idea what it did though.
That's bad. Really bad. Hey, my clutch is totally just nothing.
It just leaked out.
I guess.
Probably just leaked out. You check the master?
So, no. And it was that brake fluid?
You got brake fluid?
That one smells right a bit.
Brutal. Alright, we're heading out. 30 seconds. Wheels up. 30 seconds. 1 minute. Wheels up.
Brings me down. That without my love for the ocean. Without my love for the ocean, I would be long gone by now. It's so kind.
Not a chance. I need all the glasses I can get.
vision will. My vision is blurry, but I can see it.
You can probably study Sony.
Let's hear it.
You got good bass.
Always makes me think of, So I Married an Axe Murder.
Now she's low. Can't be spitting that much oil, dude, and just survive.
Well, we're rigging up an overflow. That'll work.
That can be a good spot for that.
Well, sure.
Well, when liquids get hot, they expand. And when they expand, they go out here and then you lose them forever. Like this, Exhibit A. But
So now, we just rigged up an overflow. This segment brought to you by Parts Master. Conventional 1030 motor oil. Nothing but the best for your whip.
something more fierce
Next
than that.
upgrade, SM465 203 205 doubler. I'm gonna do it.
I'm not gonna lie, that thing looks really sweet coming up behind me. Like when you were coming up behind me, it's just like, dude, that's a sick looking truck. Yeah.
Hey, it looks sweet from the back.
It looks sweet from every angle.
That it does.
Ready? Let's do this.
Let's do this.
Gabe's about to pee his pants. So when we're out on the highway, the wheel spins free from the axle. These are locking hubs, so you can actually just lock the axle into the hub, and now we can go in four-wheel drive. It's amazing.
In all these places, like I talked to someone, and they were like, "Cool." He was like, "I have no idea what you're talking about." I want to talk to someone. I know I gotta get named. So you can drive off road until 10 feet. Once you're back in the property, like if you're in the parking lot, you can't drive around after 10 feet. If you're in the woods, you can wheel around until 4 in the morning, as long as you're not being loud and crazy. Once you're like in the woods, like
Oh,
I
no.
call her right back.
Call her back and get her.
But anyway, then she said also it's 6 in the campground just this way. Everyone, we gotta all come in and check in. Sorry. Oh yeah.
Oh, I need to give you a phone number. I actually need to leave. I gotta go do some gambles. Here, let's go inside. I'll get a second.
Yeah, guys, it's on the bucket list. This place is sweet.